Welcome to the Vegetable Ramp Walk Show!
Welcome to the biggest vegetable ramp walk show. Today, our healthy vegetables will show their special powers. Vegetables from all over the garden came to watch the big show.
Let's dance!
The vegetables are getting ready for their big moment. All right, team, back to the ramp.
Right behind you, Jim.
This is so much fun.
Yeah!
I make your blood healthy.
I make you strong like a hero. I make food spicy and exciting! I am the king of vegetables. What a wonderful day in the garden. Now it's time to head back to the ramp. See you all soon. I keep your heart healthy. All right, everyone, let's go.
Yay, we're coming!
Time to head back.
Okay, back we go!
I give you energy to play all day. Thanks for watching. I will. Bye, everyone.
We are tiny but super healthy!
Don't make me cry. I make food tasty. Hi, friends. Time to go back up the ramp.
I am sweet and full of energy. I make you strong and smart. I keep you cool and fresh. I help your eyes see better. Hey friends, let's sing a song. Time to go back to the ramp. Woo, back to the ramp.
I help your brain become sharp.
Bye-bye. Thanks, but the real prize is our friendship. Now, we've been at party.
Every vegetable is a winner. Strut your stuff, Veggie Stars. You got it. Watch this strut. Eating vegetables makes us strong, smart, and healthy.
Yummy and crunchy!
So good for you. Yeah, delicious.
Veggies rock.
Veggies rock! Yeah!
Hi, everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends.